For today's video, we have a very special delivery from my bestie. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Fabiola, and if you like anything pink, girly, love fashion, and hauls, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, push the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIal. I'll leave the links and handles down below. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. For today's video, we have a very special delivery. I got a humongous package from my bestie Janine from JJ's Pink Secrets. A lot of you have probably heard about my bestie. She is my bestest friend and I adore her. We're always sending each other little gifts here and there. And she sent me this huge box. It is so heavy. I have not even peeked in there. I don't know what anything looks like. And it's just very exciting to open this surprise box. Bestie, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You are really a true friend. And I'm just so blessed to have her in my life and be able to call her bestie. We all need one of those in our lives. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I do have my pink scissors right here. They're actually my kitchen scissors, but I use them to open stuff all the time. Okay, so, oh my gosh, she always packages everything so incredibly cute. Let me lift this up and I am going to be very careful so nothing falls out. But here it is. Look how beautiful. And it has all these adorable little stickers. These are so cute. These remind me of the little skull panda, like very Victorian. Wow, this is packed. I'm gonna start off first with these here. It's very well packaged. There is tons of tissue paper, so I am going to place it down just because I don't know what's in there and I want to make sure that whatever is in there doesn't fall. And there's more wrapping. Oh, is this a mug? This is adorable. Oh my goodness. Let me get this out of the bag. This is so beautiful. It's a jewelry box. I don't have anything like this in my room. Bestie, this is beautiful. Look how stunning this is. And it has a cute little swan with pink. It has all this gorgeous floral details. This is definitely going to get displayed right away as soon as I'm done with this video. And I'm gonna put some of my most precious jewelry in here. This is so beautiful. I'm in love with it. It's gorgeous. Next, we're going to open this other one right here. And this feels bubble wrapped, so I'm sure it's something fragile. She did tell me that there was going to be something fragile in here, and this is why I know I have to be very careful when opening this, because I want to make sure that I am extremely careful so nothing breaks. She really packaged it really well. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful mug. Oh my goodness, I have seen these viral cups all over Instagram and I have not been able to get my hands on it, and I can't believe you sent me this, bestie. This is so beautiful. Look how pretty it is, and it's hand painted, and it has that beautiful pink bow on the back, and it also has little details right here. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to use this. Next, we have this one here. Wow, I love the print on this. So there is two of them. There's this beautiful little floral scarf. It's silky and it's so pretty. And then on the bottom, there's another one. It's a light shade of pink, and it has little coquette bows. So this here you can actually wear either as a headband, as a bow, or you can even use it for your purse and put a little bow on it. It is so pretty. I am obsessed with this beautiful scarf, bestie. Thank you so much. It's gorgeous. Oh, these are so useful. She sent me two of the Paris Hilton bag clips. These are a lifesaver. I love having these, and I don't have any of these from Paris Hilton. I can't wait to put these in my kitchen. She literally jammed packed this. Look how many things are in here. Is this a body spray? This is from Fenty Skin Beauty. I have not seen these before. It says, "Hey Bouquet," and I love the packaging on this. I know Fenty Beauty has like makeup and body scrubs, but I did not know that she had a mist. How did I miss this? I am so excited. Okay, we're gonna spray this on. It smells really good. Wow. Wow, this smells so incredibly good. I am obsessed. Look how pretty the packaging is on this. Oh, this is adorable. This is so cute. It's from the brand Monday, and it's a body wash. But check out how she put the little bow in here. I'm telling you, she's so detailed. Oh, this is so beautiful. It is a pocket hand sanitizer, and it comes with this cute little butterfly holder. This is adorable. Okay, I don't have anything like this, and it is in the scent Aurora. It's from Bath & Body Works. I love this little butterfly. There is also this beautiful hair scrunchie in this gorgeous shade with roses all around. And there's another one too. This one is beautiful. It has little pearls on it. Like, how pretty. This is like so cute. It's like very like Victorian. These two are definitely one of the prettiest scrunchies I have. Next, we have this beautiful keychain. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Wow, this is like stunning. I can't. I am going to change my keys into this right away. There is also this here. Oh, these are Pocky sticks. I love these. These are so yummy. This one is Cherry Blossom Matcha. It's a limited edition. I have not tried these yet. I have tried the strawberry ones, but I've never tried these, and I love matcha. How did you know? I am obsessed with matcha, and these look like they're really, really yummy. I can't wait to try these out. Oh, this is adorable. This is a bath bomb, and it's the little cat from the Alice in Wonderland. It has the little face on it. Oh, this is beautiful. It's like a little mini backpack. This is absolutely adorable. It's so cute. And it has this part here so you can hang it on a purse. And it has little zipper compartments. Wow, it's actually pretty spacious. I am definitely going to be able to add a lot of things in here. I love it. I love the fact that it's shaped as a little tiny purse. There is still lots of things in here. Next, we're gonna open this here. It is all pink, and it has little bows on it. What is this? This is beautiful. Wow. It is beautiful. I've never seen something like this. This is gorgeous. I am definitely going to change my like ASAP. I'm telling you, I never find cute things like this. She's always the one that finds the cutest things. This is so pretty. I'm obsessed. Let's open the other one up. This is gorgeous. It's a top. Wow, I'm obsessed with this color. And I love the detail on the sides right here. It's like gold. Oh, this is beautiful. I can't wait to wear this. It is such a pretty top. There's also a couple face masks in here from Juicy Couture. Triple peptide strawberry face mask, and there's two in there. I don't have any of these face masks, and I do love face masks. I use them all the time, but I've never seen these. So I'm very excited to try these out. It says it firms, smooths, and deeply hydrates for a youthful glow. There's a lip liner, and this one is a new lip liner. Oh my goodness, I don't have this. This is the Tarte. It's the new collection, and it has like little charms. This one is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plumper Liner, and it's in the color Cool Mauve. This is beautiful, and it comes with a little charm. She even added a little bow to this. Look how cute and detailed it is. So this is the lip liner, and these are the charms that you could possibly get inside. I'm telling you, opening makeup nowadays is so much fun. It's almost like a blind box, but for makeup. This is adorable. All right, so here it is. Here's the lip liner. It's so, so pretty. And then here is the charm. I wonder what charm I got. All right, let's open it up. Oh, I got the lips. These are so pretty. Oh, this makes it look so beautiful. Here it is with the charms, and it has the little lips charm in there, and you can use this to clip it on to a handbag. Oh, this is a beautiful mauve color. I am so excited with my lip liner. Thank you so much, Bestie. I'm obsessed. There's also this beautiful keychain in here. It's a key. So beautiful, like so Victorian. Look at the key. It has like all this beautiful details on it. It's a Fenty Beauty makeup product. This one is Gloss Bomb Oil in the shade Fuzzy. Here's the packaging. Here's the shade Fuzzy. So pretty. This is definitely such a beautiful shade. I love it. There's also another Fenty item in here. This one is a mascara. Hella thick mascara. I've never tried her mascaras before. I am so excited. It's in the shade Let's Be Blunt number 2. I actually needed a mascara. How did you know? Ooh, this looks so beautiful. There is 2 more things in here. We're going to open this one here. Oh, these are beautiful. They are wooden spoons, but they have the little bows in them. These are gorgeous. They're going to look so pretty in my little coffee area. We are down to the last item, and it's this one right here. So we're going to open it up. I feel so bad opening this just because it's packaged so beautiful. Ooh, these are beautiful. These are straws. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. Wow, I'm speechless. They're stainless steel straws, and they have the little bow detail. I am so excited to bring these down to my kitchen and decorate my little coffee area, sip on my drinks with my beautiful straws and all the cute, adorable things that my bestie sent me. I am so excited with everything. Like, I am obsessed. Everything is just so, so pretty. I can't thank you enough for these beautiful, beautiful gifts, bestie. I am obsessed with everything you sent me. I am so blessed to have you. Thank you so, so much. So I'm going out later, and I thought, why not and do a quick little makeup and outfit get ready with me. And I'm going to be using my new products that I got from my bestie. I already prepped my skin. I did my moisturizer, my serums, and all that. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is today's outfit. I love this combination, this combo of this color. I am wearing my new top that I got from my bestie. I'm obsessed with this top. It's so soft, but I love the fact that it has this like gold detail on both sides. You can definitely pair this up with so many whites, beige, and pinks. And then I'm also wearing these new jeans from H&M. It's actually the first time that I've been wearing them, and I'm actually really impressed with the quality. They're really, really comfy. And I'm wearing these high heels that I got a couple years ago from DSW. They're just so comfy because they have that chunky heel. And to add a little hint of pink in today's outfit, I will be using my Coach Mini Rowan. I've been obsessed with this little purse. I looked for this everywhere, and I was so happy when I found it in stores. They did have a bigger size of the Rowan. Honestly, I did not like the big size. I thought it was just so big. It almost reminded me of like a diaper bag. I am done raising my kids. I am done with diaper bags. I hated having diaper bags with me, and I am just so glad that now I can just fit my essentials in a small little bag. You can honestly fit so much in this little bag. You can fit your cell phone, your wallet, your glasses, like so much. I actually did a what fits in my bag video on this little purse, and I'm going to link it down below if you're interested in watching that one. But like I said, this fits a lot, and that's all I need. As long as I can have my cell phone, my lipstick, my keys, and wallet, I am good to go. I don't need to be carrying like those humongous bags. But I know a lot of people did like the big bag. I personally love the little one. I also added this scarf that my bestie sent me. I thought it goes perfect with the bag. It's so pretty. So that was it for today's unboxing, and get ready with me. I am going to head out before it gets too late. But again, I just wanted to say thank you so much, bestie, for all the beautiful goodies you sent me. I loved every single one of them. And I'm just so glad to have such an incredible best friend like you. I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week or weekend, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.